In today's video, I will show you how to earn $5 for every short YouTube video you watch. So make sure to continue this video till the end and follow all the steps that I'm going to show you. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. If you come to YouTube, what I want you to do is go to your YouTube channel. See this little icon right here and sign in with your Gmail account. You can click on the Shorts tab or you can search for hashtag Shorts. Now we're going to search for Shorts and that brings us to the short shelf. As you can see, all the Shorts videos are here. So there are many Shorts videos that come here for us to watch. But some of them are more profitable than others, and I'm going to show you the specific type of short YouTube videos that you should watch and earn the most. Have the amount of money now if we insert hashtags plus Minecraft. Searching brings us to these Minecraft videos that attract millions upon millions of views. You can see many items here that received millions of views. What we're going to do is we're going to use these views to get paid every time someone views these videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to show the little circle, right, the share button. We press and we get this short YouTube video URL. So we copy it and then we go to platform that pays you for views. Depending on the country you are from, you can look at the UK. Some of them, Greenland earns $20 per 1,000 views. Iceland $13 per 1,000 views. And other countries here from $3.50 up 24 they are in every 1,000 views. So this platform is called Shrink Earn. The only thing we do to reduce the income is to create an account and shorten the link, and then we want to make a good income. So I can show you exactly how we will earn and what we will do. What we're going to do is get other people to watch the video so we can start making money. We're going to log in from the beginning. We're going to our dashboard and now we're going to shorten our link. Someone clicks on your link and watches the short YouTube video. We get paid for each views, so that's how we can make money using this. Now we need to ask other people to click in the link and watch the short video. So how can we do that? I will show you 3 specific sites. The last site will be the best. The best one will bring you the most games and the most income. Number 1, this site here is called Minecraft Community. Very much this community is one of the most popular community for Minecraft video game, with people who are interested in watching Minecraft video share the valuable video. It has 3,200,000 game on of the most popular video on YouTube in the Minecraft space. We want to share them with other, and what we're going to do is let's go here and create a quick account. Well, we can log in and in the top right corner here and then register with me, click the name. You can see a lot of people post in the forum, so you can comment on each post, and what you want to do is say, hello, let's see this interesting Minecraft video and share it from a website. We just visit very well, so you want to comment on any of these posts. So when you do that, now you have to click. This is not the best site. it is better. Number 2 is Reddit. So this particular page is called Minecraft on Reddit and has 7 million fans. All you have to do is make a post in this group and write, "Hi, watch this video, share the link," and people have to click. As many as you can see, other people doing this between people who Minecraft videos are being shared probably, and people are watching it. People are very interested, so why not get paid for every other game that comes to your video? And then you can find other Minecraft groups here too that you can link to millions of members, so you can post there. Go to the last place that has the most visits and clicks on your link. We go to Facebook and search for Minecraft in our group. Okay, you go to groups and then you can join some groups that you can see that have a lot of members. It might be harder to join. You can try to join, but some of them are public. Like the Minecraft World Community you can join now. It's a public group and you can share the link to people who are there who can join the group again and send them your link. If you know another way to generate more traffic, share it with your friends in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.